Hi there. Welcome to my English Corner. I really hope that I can teach you some basic English words today. Today we are looking at part 6 of nouns. So, nouns are words that refer to people, places, or things. People are, well, human beings. Places are cities, towns, or any other locations that you can travel to. Things are usually things that you can touch and move and see. Speaking of see, let's move to the next part, which is see. So, this see is not with your eyes. This sea is also called the ocean. Salt water that covers large parts of the Earth's surface. So, we get the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Dead Sea, and a few others. We also then have river. River is a wide flow of fresh water across the land into the sea, a lake, or another river. And this can be on the ground or below the ground. So, river is a body of water where you can see with your eyes the land which is on either side of the river. So this is not like the sea that surrounds the earth in the previous slide. Now we have state. State refers to a condition of being that exists at a particular time. So let's take water, for example, since we are already in this example phrase. We have ice, which is solid water. You usually put ice in your drinks. Then we have water, which we use to drink, and it is very helpful for our body to grow. Then we also have water vapor. So, water vapor is a gas. So, if you move your hand, you can feel a gas. So, water vapor is a very hot version of water. This one is cold, ice. Water is medium, and then water vapor will be very hot. So these are the three states that water can be found in. Now we have books. So this is also a book. And mostly books are used for learning, for school, and for education purposes. So it helps you to take in information that someone else has already learned. And today we're using a video for this kind of information. Next, we have idea. Idea is something that you cannot see, but you can find it in your head, in your brain, where you go through a process of thinking and you form an opinion or a suggestion or a plan for something concrete or inconcrete. So, inconcrete means you cannot touch it, but something concrete means you can touch it. So, let's say I'm really thirsty, I want some water. So, I will need a mug and I will need to get some water. So, this is an idea that I am thirsty and therefore I need the mug and the water. In this part, we have face. So, face is the front part of your head. So, this is your head, as we covered in a previous section, but this is your face. Okay? And this is the front of the head where your eyes, your nose, and your mouth are. Now we have girl. Girl is a small female who is not an adult. So, I am an adult. But if you look at her, she also has long hair and she is feminine. So she will be a girl. Now we have mountain. As you can see, there is some solid water, ice, on the mountain. So a mountain is a place where the land creates a very high and sometimes very steep area. So steep is like very angled, but high will be this is the ground and this is where the mountain is. So that's the difference. Then we have list, a series of words or numbers to organize something. So if you have an idea and you want to write it on a piece of paper, then you will say number one, I want to go shopping. Number two, I want to drink some water. Number three, I would like to have lunch with a friend. Number four, I need to brush my teeth because something got stuck in it. And then number five, I want to go home to have some rest. So that would be a list. And a wish list is something that you think you want, but you might not have the resources like money or time to be able to achieve them. The next one is song. Song is a musical way of telling a story performed with a human voice. So at the moment, I'm using my voice to speak, but a song will be more like information that is carried over with a beat. It can be done with instruments, or you can use your own body to be the instruments and to make the sound. So, for example, if you want to learn the days of the week, you can go days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week. Something like that. That would be a song. So, next one is family. So, family is a group of people of different ages and genders. So, men, women, boys, girls who are related to each other. So, related to each other can either be by blood, because they are your parents, like your mother and your father, which are two words that we covered in a previous episode. Or it can be that they are your brothers or sisters, which is your parents had boys and girls. So, family is a group of people that are related either by marriage or by blood relations. I really hope that this has helped you in some way. Enjoy your day.